Speed grip cage nuts are an assembly of a square nut and spring steel cage. They are used in a diverse range of industries and applications and are available in 3 basic cage sizes, accommodating several nut sizes. Each cage has spring legs designed to compress into a square hole in the panel. The panel legs are designed to accommodate several different panel ranges. The part family combines the benefits of a spring steel cage and cold-headed nut. Speed grip cage nuts are assembled by compressing the spring legs into a hole in the panel. This can be done by hand without special tools. Once installed on the panel, there is no need for the installer to go behind the panel or handle the part during the rest of the assembly operation. The mating panel is positioned to the fastener. This is done by aligning the hole of the mating panel to the center of the fastener and then driving the screw. Once installed, the fastener is hidden, but the head of the screw is visible, making this a serviceable joint. The strength of the joint is comparable to traditional mechanical fasteners. The counter torque feature eliminates the need for access to the back of the panel assembly. Cage nuts are used throughout all industries where panels are assembled via mechanical fasteners. The reduced material handling speeds the assembly process. Because the part is self-retaining, sub-assembly can be delegated to different parts of the plant, better suited to assembly instead of the main assembly line. The self-retaining feature allows fastener assembly to be outsourced to manufacturing facilities that specialize in assembly. Araymond Industrial Fasteners allow you to replace traditional fastening methods with innovative solutions that combine aesthetics and functionality. They are quick and easy to install and do not require mounting tools.